Good morning, good evening, or afternoon. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining this particular video course. Now, I hope you are here in this video course because you want to learn about Microsoft Azure Cloud Fundamentals. If you are already familiar with some of the Microsoft Azure Cloud concepts, or maybe you're totally new in that, this course is for you. We all know that nowadays, if you want to survive in the industry where you have to get a salary negotiation, or maybe you want to try for a job switching, getting certified in the cloud is one of the necessity thing. Microsoft Azure Cloud offer various courses for different kind of roles, and we are going to teach you in all of those roles. My name is Maruti Makwana, and I'm actually a Microsoft certified trainer. Before we start this course, let me introduce myself so that we can get to know each other better. And I provide trainings to IT corporates. From last 17 years, I have trained various employees of different IT companies. These are some of my clients for whom I have delivered sessions in past. My core target audiences are those who are willing to expertise in Microsoft Azure Cloud. I have trained various roles of employees like Azure administrators, Azure developers, Azure cloud architect, data engineers, and even AI engineers. If you want to learn or if you want to master in one of these roles, I'm here with you. I'm going to teach you each and every concepts of Microsoft Azure Cloud, not only with theory, but also with the practical hands-on lab, with certification guidelines, and with the real-time case studies. That's exactly what we are going to do in our courses, but we have to start from somewhere. And especially those who are not familiar with the cloud technology, this course is for you. We will take you through this course step by step, and then at the end of this, we strongly recommend that you go and clear the certification exam of AZ 900 and get yourself certified in Microsoft Azure Cloud. Now, before we start, let's take a look at this, what is Microsoft Azure Fundamental Exam is all about, which is known as AZ 900. As you can see here, I'm on the page which is the official exam page of Microsoft. Learn.microsoft.com is one of the most important learning website of Microsoft. No matter which part of Microsoft Azure Cloud you want to learn, this website is going to give you A to Z, everything. On this website only, somewhere we have an exam page which is for AZ 900. Every Microsoft Azure Cloud exam is always associated with some kind of an exam code. AZ 900 is an exam code for Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. When you go to this page, it's going to show you that what kind of a skill set they are looking for if you are planning to get certified in Azure Fundamentals, what kind of a study guide is going to be required. If you are planning to give an exam online, then what kind of a sandbox environment is going to be provided there. So it is going to give you an idea that how you have questions, what kind of questions are going to be there, and how you can answer them. But above all, the most important thing which I want you to look at is this. This course of this AZ 900 certification exam got updated on this particular date. And that's one of the reasons we are recording this course right now. In this course, we are going to make sure that we focus on each and every skill set which is measured and required in AZ 900. Like this course is focusing on these three skill sets. The first module of this course is going to talk about describing the cloud concepts. You need to understand what kind of things are there in cloud, how it is different than your traditional on-premise servers, and then why and how we are going to use Microsoft Azure cloud resources. Then we are going to focus on describing Azure architectural and services. Understanding architecture of the cloud is one of the most important things. No matter which role you belong, if you're a developer, if you are an administrator, or maybe you are in cloud architect, understanding architectures and services is one of the most important part of this course. And then we have to describe Azure management and governance. Obviously, security, governance, and managing services in that is one of the toughest part. These three modules are going to be covered in this particular course. If you want to understand what AZ 900 and what topics are going to be there before starting this course, there is one link which is this. I strongly recommend you to go through this link, which is going to give you a course which is officially from Microsoft on Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. And this is the exact same course with each and every topic is what we are going to follow in this particular video course. Whatever I'm going to show you is all officially published by Microsoft, and this is perfect if you want to clear your AZ 900 certification exam. So what are you waiting for? It's the time for you to go through the videos and Don't forget, whenever you have any doubts, if you have any questions, I'm always there for you. Thank you.